Hello there again, guys. Welcome again to another lesson. In this video, we will be evaluating logarithms. But before we evaluate logarithms, we need to know first how to rewrite a logarithmic expression to its exponential form. So yun munang tatalakayin natin. Let's get started. So this is what a logarithmic expression looks like. It looks like an alien, but this is how we read it. This is read as the logarithm of 27 to the base 3, or logarithm to the base 3 of 27. Ang konsepto lang naman ng evaluating logarithm is that ano yung i-erase mo sa base? In this case, yung base natin ay 3. Ano yung i-erase natin sa 3 para magkaroon ng result na 27? Well, actually, we can do this in the calculator, and some people can do it in their head, but paano tayong mga nasa laylayan? What if we don't have a calculator? Okay, well then we need to rewrite it first to its corresponding exponential form. But how? Okay, so rewrite to exponential form, the logarithm of 27 to the base 3. Okay, first step is to equate it to x, kasi yun yung hinahanap natin. We will be looking for that value of x. Ano nga ba yung logarithm of 27 to the base 3? Now, this is what we're going to do. We get the base. Okay, yung base ay 3. We are going to raise it to x. Okay? So, ano yung i-raise natin sa 3 para yung result ay 27? So, yan, we write equals, then we copy the 27. So, yung logarithm of 27 to the base 3 magiging 3 raised to x is equal to 27. Ano yung i-raise mo kay 3 para yung result ay 27? Ganon ang konsepto niya. But some people rewrite it this way. They are going to leave 27 to the left side and just bump 3 to the right. Well, it doesn't really matter kasi equation yan. So that's how we rewrite a logarithmic expression to its exponential form. Okay, now we already know how to rewrite a logarithmic expression to its exponential form. Evaluating it will now be very easy. First step, we equate it to x, and then we rewrite it in its exponential form. Now we solve for x. And to solve for x, we need to rewrite 27 in a way it will have a base of 3. So that is 3 times 3 times 3. So 27 with a base of 3 will be raised to 3. And so now the bases are the same. You now equate the exponents. So the value of x is 3. So the logarithm of 27 to the base 3 is 3. Next example, logarithm of 1 over 125 to the base of 5. So we equate it to x. We rewrite it to its exponential form. Now we work on the right side. 125 can be written in a way it will have a base of 5. So 5 raised to 3, I guess. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. So 5 raised to 3. 1 over 5 raised to 3 can be written as 5 raised to negative 3. And so now the bases are the same. We can now equate the exponents. So the value of x is negative 3. Now the logarithm of 1 over 125 to the base 5 is negative 3. It's very easy. If you don't know how to solve exponential equations, please watch my video on exponential equations. I'll leave it in the description box below. So next, logarithm of 100. Now this is kind of weird because it doesn't have a base. But if we're talking about logarithms and there is no indicated base, the base is 10. So the default base is 10. So we can rewrite this as logarithm of 100 to the base 10. Equate it to x. Right? We solve for x. We can rewrite 100 in a way the base is 10. So that is 10 squared. Now the bases are the same. We can now equate the exponents. So logarithm of 100 is 2. Now we have here a weirder logarithm. It's not even log, but this is ln. We call this the natural logarithm. Well, natural logarithms, there are logarithms with a base e. We can rewrite this as like that. If you don't know what e is, well, actually, it is in your calculator. So this is how to do it. I want you to press this one. There are two logs in the calculus. One is this one. This is for the base 10, and we have another log for any base. So there we are going to input e here as our base. So I'll press alpha and I'll look for e. Usually it is in red and it's located here. So yun na siya si e. And then I'll input 4. And I'll press equals. And so that is the answer. Logarithm of 4 to the base e is 1.386 and so on. So that is how we evaluate natural logarithms. And of course, in logarithm, we also have special cases. Like if we evaluate logarithm of 0, if we are going to evaluate this, now think about this. Walang number ang pwede nating erase sa 10 para magkaroon ng result na 0. It's impossible. So logarithm of 0 is undefined. Same is true sa baba. Walang number ang pwede nating erase sa 10 para magkaroon ng result na negative. Okay? So both of these are undefined. Okay, so don't forget, if we have a logarithm and the argument is 0 and the negative number, that is impossible to evaluate. That is undefined. So that is our lesson for today. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.